Why would you do the CELTA? To travel. That's one reason why lots of people do the CELTA. So you can teach in so many different places. So if you're an English language teacher, you get to meet people from new cultures all the time. I think just if you want a job where you're never going to get bored, then this is the kind of career for you. You're always meeting new people, always learning something new. There's lots of opportunities for progression these days in English language teaching. So the CELTA is really just the start of it. You might do the CELTA and then teach for a few years, and then there's loads of different options. You could do the Delta, you could go into management, you can go into teacher training, materials writing, teaching exams, teaching business English, teaching younger learners. There's so many different options, so I think it's really it's quite a varied industry to work in. There's lots of different